not a sponsor. Hey everyone, Wolves here. It's that time again for the train wreck. I didn't make a train wreck video last week. I apologize, but just couldn't work it in. So we got a double one, and it's not a very big one. That's what she said. But we got 2 weeks worth of books here, and I have some extra books that I'll talk to you about, and I have an AOK. So let's do this, right? I got my books. I got my bling bling. Let's set it up. So I always do this, right? Yeah. And I got my bags and boards. All right. Okay, let's put this over there. Let's put this over here. Okay, I need notes. Okay, here we go. First one. Silver Surfer Ghost Light. It's a mini-series. You know who's doing it. Yeah, John Jensen's doing the writing. And Valentine, the landlord. The landlord. Row. The land row is the landlord. The landlord's coming. Is doing so book one, I think this book's going to introduce more information about Al Hopper, who is a character from years ago, 1969, I think, who helped Silver Surfer and had died fighting, my understanding, unarming a bomb from the stranger, and because of that he died. So now in this book, the first issue, his family basically all together in the house, and he's in the backyard basically. So hopefully, it was all right. It was okay. And so I'll pick this up. It's a mini-series, so unless it's really bad, I'll keep picking it up. We'll see what happens in the second issue. Okay. Moon Knight, number 21. Somebody's killing his network, his friends, and he's trying to figure out who. That's what happened. That's what you got from last issue, 20. So maybe if you find out more about who's killing who here. I guess that's him as Jake, right here, right there. So we'll see. Still enjoying the book. Still enjoying the writing. Still enjoying the art. Well, let's see what happens, because it's the start of a new arc. Basically, a lot of these are cover buys. So here we go. Vampirella, number 5. I had to take another look at it. It's a really good out. Jared Dobson does the art. So it's just a mainly cover buy. Actually, what I was doing was looking for some work from Anthony Marks. He's going to be at MegaCon, so I was just trying to find it. And he did some Vampirella stuff, and I was looking for it. Couldn't find it, but it came around this one, so I'll keep looking for it. Next one. Everybody's buying this one. It's a beautiful cover. Horatio. I knew him well. So, Amelia cover by. I don't know what's going on in the story. Amelia cover by. I'm gonna grab I was grabbing the mouse to do the bling bling. All right, next one. Facsimile of Batman 357, the shiny cover. Can't beat a shiny cover. I have the original, so this is more just a shiny cover by. Shiny. Try not getting too many fingerprints on it. Any more cover buys here? Yeah, right here. Duckwing Duck number 2. I just bought this because it looks like a beat up cover. You know? It's all got the lines in there. Looks like it's been really loved. So I picked it up. Ooh, didn't like that one. I'll put the information in later. Actually, let me try that again. Come on. I got things to do here. Can I get rid of it? I guess I can't get... Oh, clear. Okay, I hope I don't clear all of them. I cleared all of them. I'm an A. I'm an idiot, Mr. Grinch. Do-do. This is why it's a train wreck. Let's do them again. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Okay, if it doesn't do it this time, I'm not worried about it. Nope, ain't worried about it. Next one. I don't care. All right. Number 3. Same deal. It's all beat up looking. I like that. I like that. Amelia cover by. Oh, I knew that one though. All right, what do we got here? All right. Superman Lost. I guess he was away for 20 years. No. So looks pretty good. So I don't know much about it, so we'll find out. We'll give it a read. I think it's 1 of 10, so if it ain't too good, I ain't buying the 10. Justice Society of America, number 3. I'm a little behind. Didn't read. I don't think I read number 2. I have to go back and check it out. But there's a lot of time jumping back and forth, so main bad guy. We'll give it a run. I always like the Justice Society of America. I always have. Oh, this jumping around though. I don't know how. I might get tired of that. We'll see. Batman 133. Got the variant cover. He's in a different parallel universe, I guess, you know, where there's no Batman, and different characters are doing different things, and the main bad guy in here is the Red Mask. So far so good. He met up with, if I remember correctly, he met up with Selena Kyle of that world. She's working for the Red Mask. The rich guy in Gotham is basically the Joker under a different name. At least he thinks so. We'll see how it goes. All right, these two. I got Monarch number 1 and 2. I'm behind on this. Rodney Bonds, great writer. Haven't really looked into these. I missed it last month. They still have some copies going of number 1. I picked up number 2 this week. We'll give it a read and see how it goes. Okay. All right. Now, this past Sunday, I met up with some guys in the community around my area. So, John Ross from Big Daddy, he set up a like a little shop down in his basement. It was cool. Boxes everywhere. He had a whole setup on the wall type of thing. So he invited a bunch of us down to go through the boxes and pick some up. So I mean, Kevin from I wrote it. I don't want to get his site wrong. From Superpower Review. Okay, so I just want to make sure that's on YouTube. Okay, then Sean from Heroes and the Kid, Instagram, and then Will the Kid, the Comic Beast, Instagram, and then Mark Spector, Dave, that's on YouTube. John, new guy I just met, and he sent me an AOK. He's got an Instagram, Good Comics Memories. And then there's John from Big Daddy Comics. That's on Instagram. I'm going to put their links. I'll put them in the description. Please sum them up if you haven't, okay? So I just want to make sure I get that right, so I wrote it down because I get everything wrong. All right, so I'll show you what I picked up. Boom, boom, boom. Doo-doo-doo. Not in much order, but let's go. We'll do this. There we go. Strange Tales, number 154. Come on. I love Doctor Strange. There you go. This is Doctor Strange before he had his own title, Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange, baby. I've already put these into the program, so I don't, because it's a pain. So, all right. Strange Tales, 156. Look at that cover. That's a beautiful cover. Beautiful cover. Tales from Suspense. And a lot of these are, some of them have been loved, but some of them are in pretty good condition. Tales of Suspense, number 96. This captain right there, nice Kirby art. This one gets stamped with pence. So this was 19 pence. Looks like a 19 pence, maybe 11. So that's cool. This one did a little traveling, but it's in pretty good condition. It's awesome. Okay. Thundercats and Battle of the Planets. What? How better can it be? Okay, you get some Campbell art there. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. So these were handouts to give out to kids, but yeah, this one's about these are two about child abuse. Okay, parents kicking, beating their kids. There you go. So this one's just regular Spider-Man. You're so pretty, I hate you. Quit your crying, you baby. So, And then you have this one here, Spider-Man and the Power Pack. Meet the sensational Power Pack. These handouts, give to the kids, information in them, stuff like that. There's another Strange Tale, 151. Little Nick Fury action over there. Beautiful Kirby art. All right. Oh, these are last, baby. These are last. Okay. All right, so I have Amazing Spider-Man 161. Amazing Spider-Man 162. It's the first Jigsaw. And it's a mock Julia. It's a Julia. It's a mock Julia. So it's doubled. You got to get it. Not bad, huh? You got Luke Cage, Hero for Hire, number 2. Get a little parched here. Hold on. It's a little uneven. It's great for me. Yeah, we got a little flash going, 248. Gas, my master villain came to life, and he's gonna destroy the Flash. There you go, baby. Next one. Fantastic Four 93. Beautiful shape. Nice little stamp there. Colors are awesome. Little ticks, but no big deal. Could use a cleaning. The color on it, it's popping. Popping colors. Here's another popping color. Detective Batman and Robin, number 381. Another popping. Pretty good condition for the age of the book. Just needs a cleaning. Just needs a cleaning. How about this one? Nice little 15 center. The Mighty Thor 170. Come on, it's popping. Little few ticks, no big deal. Color pops. This one needs a cleaning. Miss Marvel number 8. Nice little Chris Claremont writing on this one. Does need a cleaning. Doesn't really show up there maybe, but does need a cleaning. This is one of the books I always wanted to get. It's missing a staple, but I didn't mind it. Submariner number 6. I fight a tiger shark. Always love this cover. Always. If I find a better copy, I'll pick it up. But at least I can say it's in my collection. The Avengers on Late Night with David Letterman. Come on, look at this. This is great. Always wanted this one. I always saw it on eBay. People always had it. Always wanted it, and I got it. The New Teen Titans, 36. I needed it for the collection. Need it for the PC. I got it. This one needs a little cleaning, a little pressing. It's Spectacular Spider-Man. It's a Whitman. I picked it up because it's a Whitman book. And so needs cleaning, needs some pressing. It's in my PC. Amazing Spider-Man 185, Peter Parker graduation. Come on, makes people proud. It's been loved, but I got it. Champ, I thought this was like an oddball one. Not very many people have it, but Champion Sports #1. So now, if anybody asks me if I got any sport books, I can pull it. I can just take this out of my collection and go, hey. Brave and the Bold #149. Could use a little cleaning, but some other than that, got the yellows, pops, looks great. Batman and the Teen Titans. Hey. That's it, Titans. Clobber Batman. After all, he asked for it. Look at him. He's all happy about it. And the last one. This book's been loved. Marvel Superheroes. Reprinting the Captain Marvel #1. I love Captain Marvel, so here what are you going to do? Plus, it comes with the Black Knight, the Destroyer, Captain America, the Human Torch, Submariner, all reprints from days gone by. So, not a break, the spine is beat. The book's been loved. I got it though. Now, John from Good Comics Memories. Oh, last but not least, if I can't forget these, the official new book that you need to pick up for the 2023. I'm telling you, you're missing out if you don't get this. It's on eBay right now, slabbed for $150. I'm telling you, this is the book. Ready? Captain America meets the asthma monster. Another one of those handouts. Meets the guy has his inhaler. Meets I know this book is going to be on the top 10 list. I know that so well that I picked up another copy. I'm telling you, this is the book to get. Get it now, get it fast, because the prices are only going to go up. I'm telling you. I've predicted it before with other books. It's going to happen with this one. Get it soon. Get it now. Now, John from Good Comics Memories. He sent me an AOK. I saw on the list they had one book that I wanted. An older, I think it was a JLA. So I said, hey, he sent me an AOK. He said, don't worry about it. I'll send it to you. So let's open it up. You got pull tabs. I think he sent me a little extra. Says over here, Tony, hope you enjoy. John. Well, I will, thank you. Oh, okay, pull tabs. I don't know what's in here. I was only expecting one book. Thank you very much. Again, I'll have all this information in the I said the same thing over again. In the descriptions. I'm making a mess. Alright, first one here. Well, I don't want to see these. Hold on. Oh, there's still one upside down. Oh, no, there's still one upside down. Okay. First one. Boom. Ah, yes, Phantom Stranger. Oh yeah, baby. World's finest. Dollar Comics. Got Wonder Woman, Black Canary, Green Arrow, the Creeper, and the Man, the Myth, the Legend. Look at that. That is so awesome. That is so cool. Next one. Ready? Boom! Justice League in America. Now look, this is why I wanted him. This is the book I wanted. Look at that Robin. I love that costume. Love that costume. Oh, great. Great. I love it. This is it. The encounter we've been waiting for. The big red cheese meets the big red S. That's what it says right there. Great hair of that red kryptonite has turned Superman into a super killer. Yes. Ready for the next one? Because I know I am. Boom! The Creeper. Best of Brave and the Bold, starring Batman and the Creeper. A classic. So, must be a reprint. Awesome. Creeper's awesome. Next one. Faked you out. Boom! Ah! Yes! It's nice. It's a Whitman, baby. The Man Who Stole His Eyes. That's so awesome. Next one. Ready? Another Whitman. Awesome. If this scarred face of my coin comes up, Batman, evil wins, and you die. This is so cool. Friggin' Whitmans. Yeah. Oh, last but not least, another Whitman. What's that? Gotham's greatest robbery begins in the air. Will it end in death? I got friggin' Whitmans. These are awesome. There's been some love in here, but I don't care. Thanks, man. Thanks, John. All right. Clean this up. All right. Let's go back to big time. Boom. That was great. That was awesome. That was awesome. I got Whitman's. This is awesome. Thanks, John. Again, good comics memories. His description will be in there. I know he's on Instagram. Sub him up. I went on his page. He's got other books there too. So sub him up and say hi. All right, everyone. So, Captain Sorrow, Simple Simon, and Chris from Chaos and Comics. Hook them up too. They're all on YouTube. They're in the descriptions. Yeah, but I'm calling them out. You know, I'm saying hi for them. So, okay. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate this. I've been babbling for almost a half hour. It's been a great show. At least I think so. If you don't like it, I don't care. I'm doing this for me. So, thanks, everyone. See ya.